You know, a lot of times when people visit 034 Motorsport, they visit our facility here. Usually the thing that everyone says, even people that have been familiar with the company for a long time, is they always say, you know, wow, I didn't know how much you guys did here. I thought you guys were smaller. I thought you guys didn't actually make things here. We don't really overstate who we are, what we do. We kind of let our work speak for itself. And I think from what I've seen in the industry, it's pretty rare. But for us, it's key to doing business and to delivering the best experience for our customers. I started the company in 2005, and I had an Audi 80 Quattro that I started tuning and modifying. And at the time, there was nobody really selling and supporting products for Audis, and the companies that were doing it were mostly just repurposing OEM products. The things that I started doing to my car, I was posting about online, and people started responding, and other people wanted to do the things that I was doing. And once we started, and I brought some people on, things just grew much faster than any of us anticipated. And I think we did a lot of things well early on, and customers responded to that, and things grew very rapidly. And for a long time, we were just keeping up with the growth.
My name is Troy Sykott. I'm the Global Director of Sales for 034 Motorsport. My team is comprised of several people. We have a few sales reps managing our retail side of the business. And then the other side of the business, we have a few account managers that oversee our wholesale account business. So this is dealing with dealers globally. So as 034 Motorsport has big growth goals and is in transition from being more retail minded to be more of a global manufacturer vendor to the Volkswagen Audi aftermarket, there comes a lot of challenges.
So in the operations team, our primary focus has been how to deal with growth and how to scale with it appropriately. We've implemented quite a few changes in the business over the past 4 years. A lot of that started with the narrowing down of our product line and really focusing on what it is that 034 Motorsport does really well. My team is responsible from taking a sales order once it comes in through the website or through a sales representative and making sure it goes out the door to the customer in a timely manner. There's quite a lot that happens from the time a sales order comes in the door to the time we ship the product to the customer. There's the purchasing of all the raw materials that goes into our products. There's the machining of the raw billet and the raw steel that make our machine finished goods. There's the fabrication, manufacturing, assembly, and packaging of our items into retail-ready products. And finally, there's the picking, packing, and shipping of orders to our customers all over the world.
We have a pretty large shop here, about 5,000 square feet. We only employ dealer-trained technicians who also have spent time in the aftermarket and racing environments. One of the nice things about being here is that we get to see lots of unique and fun cars. We do many different types of work on all these vehicles, everything from routine maintenance up to and including building high-performance motors. We only use and install the highest quality of parts. That includes replacement OEM parts, which are covered by a comprehensive warranty that we offer. And for any aftermarket parts, we always recommend parts that are proven, tested, and tried, that we know will have a long life on your vehicle and won't lead to other issues.
We've had tuning solutions for years, but more and more we're getting more serious about releasing a tuning program for the newer MQB cars. And so we are releasing tunes for all the newer vehicles, and we do our own tuning in-house. Something that's really important in all of our tunes is it has to drive like the factory tune. So, we're not willing to make compromises on drivability. Another really important factor for us is the tune has to be able to survive day-to-day abuse on pump gas. Our tunes are within the limits of what the factory engine, drivetrain, and ECU are capable of, However, we do maximize the amount of power available, but it has to be reliable and has to be able to last. Our commitment to the future is to continue to be the tuning company that releases innovative products that set a quality standard in the marketplace. I'm incredibly proud and grateful to have built a company with so many passionate, experienced, intelligent, capable people. And we love coming to work each day to see how these products help our customers have more fun with their cars.